In this lesson, you will learn the following. This lesson is based on the following business scenario. Working with reports is one of the most commonly performed tasks for an SAP end user in any module. Begin by going to Accounting. Go to Financial Accounting. Go to Accounts Receivable. Go to Information System. Go to Reports for Accounts Receivable Accounting. Go to Customer Balances. The customer balances in local currency is an important report in the accounts receivable system that shows the balances for each customer in one easy-to-read report. Here you can limit your report to certain customer account numbers or by entering certain company codes. Now click on the search icon to select a company. This pop-up window displays all company codes. Select Company 3000 by clicking on the highlighted area. Click the Continue icon. In addition to the customer number and company code, you can limit this report to certain fiscal years and accounting periods. Go ahead and execute this report now. This report shows you the balances for each selected customer and company. Take a moment now to review the important information that can be found within this report. Scroll over to the right to see the rest of the report. The report shows all debits and credits in separate columns. The last column, Accumulated Balance, is the result of the preceding three value columns. Now scroll back to the left. Scroll to the bottom of the report. At the very end of this report, the system displays the summary totals for all selected company codes and customers. Instead of running this report for all accounting periods, let's run it for a different time frame. Enter period 06 and press Enter. Now execute the report. Notice that the header displays the reporting periods included in this list. As before, the report displays the same value columns. Note, however, that the accumulated balance column shows the values as of the last selected period. Let's try this one more time. Enter period 07 and press the Tab key. Now enter period 12 and press Enter. Let's execute the report now. The balance carry forward column now shows the customer balances as of the beginning of period 07. The accumulated balance values are shown as of the end of period 12. Back out once more. Well done! You have just learned how to use the Customer Balances Report.